Alright, what is up y'all? Rich Homie backing out with another banger video. Just want to thank everybody for watching, and for today's video we're going to be doing a part 2 of the carbon fiber install. So I'm going to be installing more carbon fiber parts on the Scat Pack, and just a huge shout out to Widebody Scat 520 for sending me some of these carbon fiber parts. And if y'all haven't already, definitely go subscribe to him. He has probably the hardest scat out there, like especially interior wise, because it's all decked out with carbon fiber, and he has trim pieces and panel pieces, you know, overlaid in carbon fiber that I didn't even know they made carbon fiber for. So definitely go subscribe to him. Very generous guy and does a lot of giveaways. So definitely get up to 200 subscribers. He's gonna do a big giveaway for that. So definitely go to his video, comment down below that Rich Homie Cal sent you. But without further ado, we are going to unbox some of the carbon fiber parts and then just install it on the Scat Pack. So let's get into it. So I'm going to be installing 3 different carbon fiber parts on my car, which is going to be awesome. And if you haven't seen part 1, click on the top right corner of this video to watch part 1 of installing my carbon fiber parts on the Scat Pack for the first time. And then go back to this video and you can watch, you know, part 2 of me installing more. And let me know if you want to see a part 3. Let me know what carbon fiber parts to buy, because I'm definitely looking forward to that. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so here is the first part. So once again, shout out to Widebody Scat 520. I'll link all his details below, but he did send me this first part. And let's see what it is. It is the steering wheel carbon fiber cover. So I'm pretty excited. I was gonna, you know, get this myself because, you know, the Dodge steering wheels are always plain Jane. Like if you get a Scat Pack or an XST V6, I mean, the steering wheel looks the exact same. So I kind of wish Dodge did something a little bit better, made the steering wheels a little bit different if you got you know, V6 versus a Scat Pack. I know with the Hellcats you get the SRT on the steering wheel and it's a little bit of a flat bottom, but this should definitely change the look. So this goes over basically the horn, the front of the steering wheel, so it's a carbon fiber overlay, and you get your 3M tape on the back. This goes on the bottom, and I think this covers the whole you know, piece on the bottom of the steering wheel. I know they sell 2 different variants of this carbon fiber overlay. They sell this, or they sell the ones with it just covers like the chrome trim, and then this covers basically over the buttons and controls. So ideally the steering wheel, you know, once you piece it all together, and taking a look, you know, it's definitely you know, higher quality than I expected for, you know, a plastic piece. But yeah, no, it definitely looks good, and I'm thinking it's gonna look very good on a steering wheel. And I know there's other variants on Amazon that don't have this bottom piece here, so I'm glad this has this bottom piece, so I can, you know, it makes it look complete. So once again, shout out to Widebody Scat 520 for this. Alright, next piece, I actually ordered this off Amazon myself, but it is basically the center stack or the center control carbon fiber overlay. But you know, with Dodge, they, you know, make the center stack and it's like all black plastic, matte black plastic, which I'm not a big fan of. It does make it look a little bit cheap. I wish they, you know, use some other material. I'm not sure if I wanted them to use like piano black. That would have been definitely a pain, but you know, some other material rather than just like a black plastic. But this should definitely add some, you know, look and character to the car. But yeah, here it is. Not as flimsy as I thought it would be, but there is a carbon fiber overlay. yeah, not too bad. I'm gonna see how it looks. If I don't really like the look, then I might return it, but I'm just gonna stick this on and then see what it looks like. And the last piece that Widebody Scat 520 also gave me was the carbon fiber overlay over the actual light controls of the car. And this is an awesome carbon fiber pattern. It does not match the other ones, which is alright, but I mean, this looks legit. I might message him to see where he got this, because this looks like an actual, you know, carbon fiber weave versus this. And I know I'm gonna have some mismatching carbon fiber, but you know, no one's gonna see this piece. So I'm just gonna put it on, and then, you know, and in the future, if I decide to, I might upgrade the steering wheel cover or the center stack cover. But this is definitely one of my favorite pieces that he sent me, because it looks like, you know, nice weave. But yeah, I'm super excited to install all these parts on, and without further ado, let's go ahead, put it on the car, let's get to it. All right, so I'm finally inside. So as a recap, we're gonna put the pieces over here, here, and here. And then we're gonna cover this matte black, cheap looking plastic with the carbon fiber overlay. And then we're gonna cover this. So, you know, of course, your first step, definitely just wipe off any of the dust. This car does get dusty, especially when I drive with the sunroof open and all the windows down. And you just wipe it good. I usually just pour a little alcohol on here. Just give it 1 or 2 minutes, and then I'll start installing it. So the bottom piece is dry. I just put that just over top of it, but we're just gonna go ahead and take off the adhesive and just stick it on. All right, so I think this is a good placement. Yeah, put some pressure on it for about 30 seconds and we should be good. There you go. Looks good. It's pretty even, not lifting up anywhere. But yeah, this looks good. Now I'm just gonna install this. Let's get into it. All right, there we go. Just making sure it's gonna line up properly. But yeah, I like how this is now even with this. Before, I just put the overlay on it and it was just like one like overlay that's not like flush with the steering wheel, but now it's flush with the steering wheel. But yeah, that looks good so far. And last but not least, I'm gonna install pieces there and there. So let's get into it. All right, here's the next piece. I'm not too confident because for some reason it's like this. I'm gonna try to finesse it with some heat and try to make sure I bend it so it like fits like that. Because currently, if I just put it on, the bottom piece, there's like a bottom piece to this. I guess that's why they sell it without the bottom piece on. But if I like stick it on like that, then, you know, there's gonna be that little lip of the white. So I'm gonna try to put some heat on it and try to bend the plastic so I can like stick it on like that, so it'll look a little bit better. So let's see. All right, so I got the piece on. I was able to bend this with a little bit of heat and just stick it on. Hopefully the adhesive does last a good amount of it, because I can definitely feel there's like some resistance here, but hopefully the steering wheel overlay or the adhesive that's on here stays for a while. But y'all, let me know what y'all think. If you like this look better or this look. So far, I definitely like these two pieces because I like how this just covers the whole piece down here, and this makes the steering wheel not look so basic. And I mean, this looks pretty decent so far. I'm gonna apply the last one and see what it looks like. All right, y'all, it is finally on. But yeah, this looks pretty decent. I mean, there is the little lip there and there showing, but I mean, so far, not too bad. It looks, you know, pretty decent and makes the steering wheel, you know, not look too plain. But yeah, y'all, let me know what y'all think. If I should, you know, just replace this with the one that doesn't come without the bottom piece for better fit and finish. But so far, I'm just gonna keep it like this. And if I don't like it after a little bit, I'm just gonna remove it. Shout out to Widebody Scat 520 for this piece, and it's finally all installed, looking good and ready to go. So 1 down, 2 more to go. So let's get into it. All right, so this is the piece. While that's drying up, it usually dries up pretty quickly. I'm just gonna go ahead and take tweezers to this. Alright, y'all, there it is. Not too bad at all. It doesn't look too bad. Definitely masks the, you know, the matte black plastic, but looks good. I'm probably gonna keep this the way it is. This material, I kind of like this material, but compared to the matte black plastic, yeah, now that looks good, y'all. I like that. So 2 down, 1 more to go here. All right, y'all, I'm pretty excited about this piece because it's just one big adhesive. All right, for some reason I can't pull the adhesive without me touching this. I'm just gonna use the tweezers and just do this. There we go. See if it fits good. This looks really good. Wide body Scat 520, if you're watching this, let me know where you got this, because I want to get other pieces that look like this. This is how it looks like. Looks good. It is a different day, finally free. I'm super busy with my job and other side hustles that I'm doing, but I just wanted to show you guys the carbon fiber that I installed, and it's about a couple of days later, but I have to say it looks great. So let me just show y'all right here. Yeah, definitely like how this looks much better than the matte black plastic. And then I really like how these 2 pieces look. I mean, this just covers the whole plane, you know, airbag cover, and then you got this piece which fits on perfectly. The only thing I don't like is these pieces. You see that this lip is exposed here and here. I guess that's why some pieces, they come out without this little bottom thing here. So let me know in the comments if you just want me to remove these and just rock these 2, or if I should just upgrade or update the pieces and buy the pieces that don't have this. Of course, the best piece is this. Definitely real carbon fiber looking. I love the pattern. It's kind of mismatched with this, but hey, it is what it is. No one's gonna like look at that too much, but I like it. I think this is the most carbon fiber that I'm gonna put on so far. So far I got the door handle cover, window switch panel on all 4 doors. Then I got the steering wheel covers, and then I got this. I know they sell carbon fiber kits for this in a whole silver piece around the dash here and here. I may just keep it like this. I like this material, it's not cheap. Or I might, you know, buy the Dynamax or Dyna Performance carbon fiber covers, which are like 200 bucks, but it looks, you know, similar to this. So who knows, I might wait. So far, I like what I have here. Very subtle carbon fiber, but you know, not too much, and that's the way I like it. But yeah, so once again, shout out to Wide Body Scat 520 for providing me this piece and the steering wheel pieces, man. Shout out to you. Definitely go subscribe to him because he does a lot of giveaways and he's a very generous and awesome guy. So definitely subscribe to him. So yeah, y'all, hope you enjoyed that video. Quick little carbon fiber install. And yeah, I'm liking this car, you know, the interior more and more with all the little, you know, touches I do to it. And let me know in the comments what else you want me to buy, because I'll definitely try to buy it and just install it, because, you know, I'm trying to make more content and, you know, make my car look cooler, right? So yeah, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, smash that like button. You know, the YouTube algorithm favors the likes. And yeah, y'all, appreciate everybody. Make sure y'all have a safe and wonderful summer, and I'll, you know, keep pushing out that content. So appreciate everybody. This is Rich Homie Cal signing out.